January 30th, 1806. Opening of the Trenton Makes the World Takes Bridge. In 1806, a remarkable engineering achievement known as the Lower Trenton Bridge, often called the Trenton Makes the World Takes Bridge, was opened. Spanning the majestic Delaware River, this bridge connects Morrisville, Pennsylvania, and Trenton, New Jersey. Its unique name encapsulates the spirit of the region's industrial prowess and manufacturing capacity. The bridge has not only facilitated transportation, but has also symbolized the role of communities in contributing to the global exchange of goods and ideas. 1820. Edward Bransfield and the discovery of Antarctica. In 1820, British naval officer Edward Bransfield gazed upon the pristine landscape of the Trinity Peninsula and forever altered the map of the world. His sighting and subsequent exploration of this landmass led to the recognition of Antarctica as a distinct continent. Bransfield's voyage marked a historic moment in the age of exploration, expanding our understanding of the Earth's geography and revealing one of the most remote and enigmatic places on the planet. 1826. Manai Suspension Bridge, a triumph of engineering. The year 1826 witnessed a feat of engineering marvel, the opening of the Manai Suspension Bridge. Linking the Isle of Anglesey to the northwest coast of Wales, this bridge is widely regarded as the world's first modern suspension bridge, a masterpiece of design. The Manai Suspension Bridge was not only facilitated transportation over the years, but also set a precedent for innovative engineering that would shape the future of infrastructure. 1835. Assassination attempt on President Andrew Jackson. A pivotal moment in the history of the United States occurred in 1835 when Richard Lawrence made the first assassination attempt on a sitting president, Andrew Jackson. Lawrence's attempt to shoot President Jackson was thwarted by the president himself and a courageous crowd, including congressmen. This incident underscored the challenges faced by leaders and highlighted the resilience of democracy in the face of threats. 1847. Transformation of Yerba Buena into San Francisco. In 1847, the city of Yerba Buena in California underwent a significant transformation, receiving a new identity as San Francisco. This change marked the evolution of a small settlement into a bustling metropolis that would become synonymous with innovation, cultural diversity, and economic dynamism. The renaming of Yerba Buena to San Francisco reflected the city's growing influence on the global stage. 1858. Birth of the Haley Orchestra. A cultural milestone was achieved in 1858 with the inaugural Haley concert in Manchester, England. This event marked the official founding of the Haley Orchestra as a professional full-time ensemble. The orchestra's establishment represented a commitment to the arts and a celebration of music's power to unite and uplift societies. Over the years, the Haley has enriched the cultural landscape and touched countless lives through its harmonious melodies. 1862. Launch of the USS Monitor. A groundbreaking moment in naval warfare occurred in 1862 with the launch of the USS Monitor, the first American ironclad warship. This vessel's innovative design and technology heralded a new era of naval construction, making traditional wooden ships obsolete. The USS Monitor's impact extended beyond its revolutionary form, shaping the trajectory of naval architecture and defense strategies. 1889. Tragedy at Merlin, death of Archduke Crown Prince Rudolf. In 1889, the Merlin tragedy shook the Austro-Hungarian Empire as Archduke Crown Prince Rudolf was found dead alongside his lover, Baroness Mary Vetraza. This mysterious and tragic event cast a somber shadow over European royalty and raised questions about the pressures of leadership, personal choices, and the toll of societal expectations. The Merlin incident remains a poignant reminder of the complexities and vulnerabilities of those in positions of power.